Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore Freebeat AI's new AI-powered music video engine, which allows you to create amazing music videos with just a simple prompt. You can describe the type of music video you want, add your favorite music track, choose characters, and generate complete music videos in just a few clicks. The link to Freebeat AI is available in the video description. Once you click the link and create your account, you'll be taken to a dashboard like this. Here, you'll find multiple options such as the agent section, toolbox, and a prompt bar in the center where you can describe the type of music video you want to create. The process is very simple. Below the prompt bar, you'll see several video creation modes, including singing MV, storytelling MV, abstract MV, and more. Let's start by creating a music video. I'll paste my prompt here. For example, I want to create a fast-paced social media music video. As I type, the AI automatically suggests additional prompt ideas. You can simply press Tab to accept the suggestions and improve your prompt instantly. Once you're satisfied with the prompt, you can customize the settings. First, select a character. Freebeat AI offers multiple built-in characters, and you can also upload your own image. You can choose from options like Hip Hop Man, Joker, Neon Diva, Pop Star, and many more. Next, select your preferred aspect ratio. I'll choose 16:9 and set the resolution to 1080p. After that, choose a visual style. Freebeat AI offers a variety of styles, including anime, photorealistic, 2D modern animation, cyberpunk, high energy, digital art, and many more. You can also customize the captions by selecting your preferred caption style. Once everything is set up, choose between fast mode and expert mode depending on your needs. You can also decide whether to make your creation public. After reviewing all the settings, click the Create button. The platform will then ask you to add music. You can either upload your own music file or choose from the built-in music tracks available in the library. I'll select a music track and click Create. The AI will now begin processing. During this stage, it may ask a few questions to better understand your project. Simply click Continue whenever required. First, the AI generates reference images based on your prompt. Then, it transforms those images into animated video clips. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the scenes are generated, you can preview them, select your favorite scenes, and continue to the final video generation stage. After the rendering is complete, your music video will be ready. As you can see, Freebeat AI has successfully created a music video according to my prompt and settings. The quality looks impressive, and the entire process is quick and beginner-friendly. You can create similar music videos simply by entering a prompt, selecting your preferred style, adding music, and letting the AI handle the rest. Now, let's explore some of the other creation modes and see what else Freebeat AI can do. Next, let's explore some of the other creation modes available in Freebeat AI, including storytelling MV, abstract MV, and more. This time, I'll select the storytelling MV option and paste my prompt. Just like before, I'll choose a different character, select the aspect ratio, resolution, and visual style, then add my music track. Once everything is ready, I'll click the Create button. The AI will begin processing and may ask a few questions for confirmation. Simply click Continue to proceed. Just like the previous example, Freebeat AI will first generate reference images based on your prompt. After that, it will create a scene plan and generate multiple video scenes featuring your selected character. You can preview the generated scenes, choose your favorite ones, and click Continue. The AI will then merge all the selected scenes together and render the final music video.
Wake up from a sleepless night.
And there we go. Our storytelling music video is ready. As you can see, creating these types of music videos with the Freebeat AI agent is incredibly simple. It's one of the most exciting and trending AI video creation tools available right now. Now, let's try the Abstract MV feature. Creating an abstract MV is just as easy. Simply enter your prompt, select the aspect ratio and other settings, add your music track, and click Create. This time, I'll choose Custom Mode before starting the generation process. Once I click Create, the AI begins working automatically. Just wait for the processing to complete. After a short while, our abstract music video is ready.
I want you to stay.
As you can see, Freebeat AI can generate a wide variety of music video styles with minimal effort. Another great feature is real-time music video generation, which is also available on the platform. If you're interested in creating videos instantly, this feature is definitely worth trying. The link to Freebeat AI is available in the video description, so be sure to check it out and let me know your experience in the comments below. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.